Looks like a tight fit, Finn. Is that comfortable? Blue paper. Are you snug as a bug in a rug? Is that a good thing? Oh, you're just going to pretend it's all cool. You're making quite a fuss a second ago. You're aware of the camera, aren't you? Cool. Oh, there you go. Get a foot out. That's the first step, except your sock's stuck. Your sock's stuck. There you go. Alright. Now you gotta get the other foot out. Oh, we're getting it back in. Okay. Chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug. Oh, get that sock. Woo! That's one sock down. Are you gonna try to get the other sock from under that foot? You're an ambitious little guy. What are you gonna do? Oh, orange bowl. Are you gonna hit yourself with it? I don't know, man. Might not be the wisest choice. Yeah, there you go. Throw it away.